Students and viewers, I here want to discuss the success formula to score good marks in maths. Children have lots of fear how to be good at maths. So children, I hope it is really a very nice subject, but it needs some way of the way of proper preparation. So what should be the actually tricks or formula to adopt, means to improve your maths? So here, not to take much of your time, I want to just go the basic thing. The very first thing that I want to say, you have to have a clear basics of previous class must be very clear. यानी यू हैव टू फर्स्ट प्रिपेयर द बेसिक्स ऑफ प्रीवियस क्लास. जो भी आपने पिछले क्लास में पढ़ा है, अगर उसमें कहीं डाउट है तो प्लीज़ रिवाइज, प्रिपेयर, गेट इट क्लियर फ्रॉम योर मटेरियल, स्टडी मटेरियल और योर टीचर्स. सेकेंड थिंग, फॉर द नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू सी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग of new concepts. When you are now studying in a new class, your new class is suppose having new concepts also, so you have to understand them very nicely. That means you should not keep any doubt. So ask your teachers, make your good understanding and try to be very clear with the new concepts. And I want to tell you the third point. After getting the understanding of new concepts, you should memorize them. Memorize the new concepts. Or we say formula. I say, if the concepts are properly memorized, you will be absolutely easy. Because if you are not properly knowing the things you have been taught or formula you don't know, you cannot solve the question. Mathematics is very much depending upon the formula. So please learn them. Second, and the next fourth point, I'll go to learn the application. Learn the application of new formula or whatever you have been taught. You have to know how to apply. पहले आपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप की, उसको मेमोराइज कर लिया. नाउ यू शुड लर्न ऑल्सो दैम वेरी प्रॉपरली हाउ टू अप्लाई. Okay, and thereafter you have the next point. This is what should be your next point after learning their application. It should be a process of simplification is the next one. Simplification should be very correct. That means simplification gives you addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. These are actually the main application that we do to solve the mathematics questions. तो अगर किसी का simplification problem भी ज़्यादा है तो उसको प्लीज़ उस पर बहुत वर्क करने की ज़रूरत है. अगर सिंप्लीफिकेशन में कहीं प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो उसके मैथमेटिक्स का ये सारा ऊपर का पार्ट यहाँ आके ख़त्म हो जाता है और क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग हो जाते हैं. That is true. Please children, take care and remove your doubts regarding the simplification methods that I will tell you more in the new videos. But yes, ये हमने फॉर्मूला जो बताया कि क्या क्या होना चाहिए to score good marks, and then comes for the next one, that is practice. Then you have to practice those formula with the various types of questions, and I suggest mathematics should be having at least 2 hours practice. At least 2 hours की practice per day अगर student ने की, चाहे वो एक साथ कर ले सुबह शाम या और ज़्यादा कर सकता है, तब तो it is a really golden thing. Mathematics needs practice, no doubt. You need to understand, अगर आपने practice की कमी की, you cannot do good in maths. Other subjects are different, लेकिन mathematics needs this much a lot. And children, the last point I want to say in this formula, it is revision. Yes, without revision you will not be able to really understand whether you are prepared or not, whether you know the methods or not, whether you can solve the questions or not. Definitely revision will give you the definite picture. You are ready, you are prepared, and you can get the good marks. Definitely revision is very much required for the success in mathematics, because अगर ये revision की कमी हो गई तो भी problem हो जाएगी. यानी ये 1 to 7 these points are going to help you only when each step is very properly managed. You cannot have any of the step to skip. There is no shortcut in mathematics to score good marks. If you do not follow any of these points, your score is not going to be good. So मेरा कहना ये है कि please see these points should be very properly taken care of, and then I can promise it is a magical formula. And I want to say some precautions also. The children should be very careful in the question paper time. When they solve the paper, before solving the paper you must at least read that question twice. That means 2 times. If you read the question, you will not be having any of the mistake in copying that question from paper to the answer sheet. And one more thing that I have seen children do not take care, they have to solve a rough work on the right end of the same paper. Right end of the same paper will give you the very clear calculation picture, because sometimes when you do it at the end of the copy or anywhere else, you may take the wrong figure while solving the question, and that will be a mistake. And at the end you must review the questions before submitting your answer sheet. So I am sure here my idea is very simple. I have practiced myself and I have already shared with my students. I have taught so many students and they have followed it. So please